In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove participants from Google Meet and kick someone out of a Google Meet meeting in 2025. If you're hosting a meeting and need to remove someone, Google Meet makes the process pretty simple, as long as you're joining as the host or a co-host. This is useful if someone entered by mistake, if there's an unwanted participant, or if you just need to manage the meeting more effectively. First, open Google Meet and either start your meeting or join the one you're already managing. Before you try to remove anyone, make sure you have the right permissions. In most cases, only the host or a co-host can remove participants, so if you don't see the option, that's the first thing to check. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the people or participants icon. This is the area where Google Meet shows everyone currently in the call. Tap or click that icon to open the full participant list. If you're on a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, but the participant panel works the same way. Now scroll through the list and find the person you want to remove. Take a second here to make sure you're selecting the correct participant, especially if several people have similar display names. Being careful at this stage helps avoid removing the wrong person by accident. When you found the correct participant, tap or click their name. This opens the available options for that person. Depending on your device or version of Google Meet, the controls may appear slightly differently, but you should see a management option tied to that participant. From there, select Remove from the meeting. This is the command that disconnects that person from the current call. In some cases, Google Meet may ask you to confirm the action before it goes through. If that prompt appears, just confirm that you want to remove the participant. As soon as you do that, the selected participant will be removed immediately from the meeting. They'll be disconnected from the call, and the meeting can continue without them. A quick tip before you use this feature: because removal takes effect right away, it's a good idea to double check the participant name before confirming. That's especially important during large meetings, classes, or team calls where the participant list may be moving quickly. And that's it. That's how to remove participants from Google Meet in 2025. Once you know where the people panel is and how to access participant options, the whole process only takes a few seconds.